Hello everyone, and I hope you are well. I'm here with another important topic of Ielts speaking part 1. This is music. The first question is that do you like music? Yes, I love to listen music. I feel happy, relaxed and energetic after listening the music, especially Punjabi folk music. I forget all tensions and worries as it has a great power to raise the spirits. Sometimes I also listen Western music. The next one, do you often listen to music? Generally, there is no specific time to listen music for me. Whenever I'm free, I listen to music. The next one, did you listen to music when you were a child? As far as I remember, during my childhood, I was not fond of listening music. I used to watch cartoon program only. I didn't have any interest in music when I was young. The next one, do you like to listen to live music? The answer is of this question definitely yes. I do like to listen live music. It is entirely different from recorded music. I never miss the chance to attend the live music if the ticket is affordable. I felt it is amazing and wonderful experience. Last month, I attended a music concert in my hometown that was completely enthralling and indelible for me because I enjoyed my favorite singer's live performance. Enthralling means holding or keeping someone's interest and attention. Indelible means impossible to forget memories or actions. The next one, have you ever learned to play a musical instrument? Yes, I'm very fond of playing harmonium since my childhood. To fulfill this desire, I bought harmonium first and downloaded the musical instrument app from Google. I also joined online classes where I got deeply knowledge how to play harmonium. Now I found it surprisingly easy to learn. The next one, what can we learn from music? The answer is well, we can learn many things from songs. For example, folk and classical music reflect your culture and traditions. Plus, music also teaches about religion, history, society, love, and beauty. Most importantly, it is a great way to learn about any literature. The last one is music an important subject at school in your country? The answer is unfortunately music education is not compulsory for students. It is an optional subject in India. So this is the topic of music and I hope this would be useful for your speaking exam. For watching my next videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.